Hi, I'm John Bowen. We are into our 30th year of the Bowens Builders Bulletin. In this month's edition, we have a video presentation on Cumaru decking, a terrific alternative to spotted gum and ironbark solutions. It's not just about the deck, posts, handrails, beams, etc. We also have some super specials on hardware and associated products. And of course, we have an article this month by me. Please take a look. You'll find it online or of course in our branches. I look forward to seeing you, I hope, in one of our stores very soon.